If you and your family love rice, this rice recipe is gonna have you crave just one more spoonful even if you're full.
We're making one of the most flavorful biryanis you'll ever eat. We're making Puran Dakaya biryani.
So this rice is also called Haji biryani. You need to use Kalajira rice specifically. But you wanna wash this about 3 times, soak it in water for half an hour, and then dry the rice for another half an hour. So the full recipe is down below, but you wanna take your whole spices, toast it up for a few seconds. Then you wanna grind up your spices, set it to the side. In a medium pot, you wanna add your mustard oil and then your bay leaves, temper it for a few seconds. Add in your onions, ginger garlic paste, and saute till they're translucent. I'm using about 2 pounds of mutton. You can also use beef. And you're just gonna add the meat right in. You're gonna cook it up a little bit. Add your chilies, salt, and your dry seasonings along with roasted cumin powder. Put the cover on and you wanna cook this on low heat for about an hour. Just make sure you stir it occasionally so it's not stuck to the bottom. You're gonna see after an hour that the meat is producing some natural juices. You're gonna add a cup of hot water. It has to be hot or else you're gonna mess up the meat, and then you want to cook it one more time for about another half an hour. You're cooking the total of the meat for about an hour and a half. Once it's nice and tender, remove the mutton. You're going to keep it to the side in a bowl, but you're going to leave any type of the curry that came out into the pan. Now add your dried rice, toast it up in that curry till it changes color. Add in your hot water, add in more salt and MSG. Throw in your chilies and kind of toss it a little bit. Just keep this on a low flame, and in the meantime, make your milk powder mixture with your hot water. You're going to add in your milk mixture and you're going to let it come to a boil. Once there's barely any liquid on the top, you're gonna add in your meat again and then kind of saute it again. Add your Kira water, mix it up, and add the lid again. I saw this really cool trick that someone took a clove and kind of added it into the hole. So you're first gonna cook this for 10 minutes on a medium-low heat. After the 10 minutes, you're just gonna mix up the rice, add in your sugar, and then put the lid back on. Cook it for another 10 minutes. So overall, you are cooking the rice in total for 20 minutes. And then your rice is ready to serve with whatever you want.
I know this is not proper, but I got no time. Just a sprinkle of some lemon or lime. So good.